Well, we are on our way to Riverside, California today to go to fitech. We're taking my Pro-Charge 57 Chevy down there. We've been working on this thing for the last couple of months here and there, trying to get it done. It's a 415 Manly stroker kit in an LS-based motor. We Pro-charged it. We put the fitech intake and fuel injection on it. And the computer, we rewired everything, but we're actually going to take it down there, fire it up on their dyno, and run it on the dyno down there, and hopefully we get this thing running. It's been a lot of work, but we're going to head that way, and we'll see you in California. Made it, it's unloaded. Now, this is where you feel stupid.
Nah, you just got these all on the wrong cylinders.
So our coil wires were in the wrong place to start with. And our plug wires are resting on the headers right now, which is like, oh, it'll run for a few minutes before it starts misfiring. So we'll see what the doctor does and makes this thing run here in a minute. Sounds good, doesn't it? Yeah, I seen a hose clamp vibrating around.
That return line or something?
Oh yeah. Shit, yeah. So you know that there's always going to be an issue when you get to this place. We got to get our fans to work. Once we get the fans to come on, we can get it on the dyno maybe and make a few pulls with it and see what it does.
You don't have any.
Hot?
Yeah, just when you load it, it gets hot really fast. So it's just probably got a big pocket of air in it.
We had a really hot spark plug in this thing. Mike, the brains over here at fitech, he's like, we need to change the plugs in this thing. So we did that. Now, we had a few burnt spark plug wires too because they were laying on the headers. We fixed those, shortened up a couple plug wires, put some new plugs in it. It's gonna be cool when it's done, and that's all that matters.
Now we're swapping out the whole core, all 8 coils with different coils to see if we can, hash out the problem, misfire.
We're gonna leave the car. We don't know what happened. Something. But we're gonna come back. To be continued. Okay guys, day 2. We're gonna go back today, try to get some real numbers on the dyno. Let's head out and see what it looks like. Okay, so we've already had this on the dyno once, and it's only making about 5.5 pounds of boost, maybe 6. We're gonna try to mess with the wastegate on it, see if we can get this thing to make a little bit more boost. I want to get like maybe 8 pounds out of it on pump gas would be nice. I'm hoping to see something up around 650 would be nice on what we got right here. So we'll see what happens. It made 593 horse and about 502 foot-pounds of torque. With the Pro Charger on here, it just keeps wanting to build power. I mean, no matter what. The more you hold your foot in it, the more power it wants to make.
If you go on any of fitech's social media, you're gonna see some gnarly burnouts. So Steve's gotta bring it. If he doesn't bring it, then he's wasting our time here.
I mean,
It's straight down on the.
it's just a burnout. I need more RPM. I need more RPM.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. I love seeing all this stuff. Now I like to see younger guys into the spirit of the old car. Gotta have something to keep them broke and out of trouble.
Well, successful here at fitech. We got this thing running. It's been through a lot. I mean,
Yeah,
I mean, we almost got it there, and then we screwed it up right at the end, and then you guys had to fix it.
yeah, but that's automotive. I mean, that's hot rodding. That's part of the fun.
Pretty much this thing, when we got in here, it just kind of went into stages of getting better and better and better. But then again, the motor had never been fired yet.
Fresh build.
I'm not real savvy on the fitech system yet. I'm learning every day on how it goes. It was the first wire harness job that I've been involved with. I mean, so it was, I didn't know, you just don't know.
Yeah, you know, right wires go on the right side, left
Right.
wires go on the left side.
And then we learned that you can get interference in wires if
Yeah.
they're touching. And oh, did you know that you can burn spark plug wires on your headers too?
yeah, we
Learned
found
that
it.
on about
we found
6
that
of
out.
those. So, you know, it's just been a process, but we went from not even getting it running to actually making some power on the dyno.
Yeah,
And
600 ponies ain't bad.
no.
For breaking in a motor?
Breaking in a
It's not
motor,
bad.
I mean, we got the potential for a couple hundred more horse out of that, easy.
Yeah.
But, you know, limited on gas, limited on pulleys. You know, I don't want to run, you know, we were only pushing what? 4, 5.5, 6 pounds of boost.
The max I saw was 6 the whole time, so.
So yeah,
That motor's built, what, you told me 15?
it'll take 15. It'll
We're
take
gonna
15.
put all 15 in it too.
15 will make a lot of horsepower.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, guys, thank you. Like and subscribe. Make sure you watch our videos because this is what we do.